LaCimbali Dolcevita. Okay, this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And as it's set up, this is set up for Hawaii or USA. First one choice is Americano, Cappuccino, Latte, Decaf, which means when you press this, you can choose after that, and it will be decaf. This is a double hopper. Then just milk, espresso, just plain espresso, and then steam for the steam one. Okay. This has no manual. Yeah, otherwise the manual valve would be right here. Okay. So this is a pre-programmed steam button that allows steam to come through here. The milk is also frothing with an auto frother here, which goes into a milk carton. It's adjustable with this pinch valve right here. You can control the temperature and the amount of milk. Another way to control the milk is by using the program button. Okay, this is the engineer's pad, which has the grinder motor 1, grinder motor 2. This is the direction of the motor for the turntable. Okay. And this is for the pump and the grinder. Motor grinder, right? Motor pump. Okay, this is the water pump. And then the advance behind clock, and then reset button, programming mode, and then exit. And this is the direct. When you touch this goes into milk cleaning and also coffee dispense. Hot water through the coffee ground dispense. Okay. Master on-off switch, the engineer's key here, and identification. This is a top grinder, adjustment dial, bottom dial. Notice it's red. This is typically regular coffee and then decaf or another flavor. Okay, so there's a double grinder head. Okay, turntable, and this is the water pressure regulator, water pressure gauge. Okay, this is the pill drop chute, which is up above here. And note, once you lift this pill and you drop a pill in here, once you lift this up, normally the machine will go into a cleaning mode. Okay.